Want LocalSend to receive files without asking you to click Accept every time? In this video, I'll show you how to enable automatic file receiving using the Quick Save and Auto Finish options. To get started, open LocalSend and go to Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Receive section. This is where you'll find several options that control how LocalSend handles incoming file transfers. The first option is Quick Save. When this is enabled, LocalSend automatically accepts incoming transfer requests, so you won't have to click Accept each time someone sends you a file. You can also easily toggle this option directly from the bottom of the main screen without going back into Settings. Just below that is Quick Save for Favorites. This works a little differently. Instead of accepting files from every device automatically, it only does so for devices you've marked as favorites. To favorite a device, simply find it in Send and click the heart icon next to its name. Just like Quick Save, this can also be quickly changed from the bottom of the main screen whenever you need it. The last option is Auto Finish. Normally, after a transfer is complete, you need to click Done before LocalSend is ready to receive another file. With Auto Finish enabled, that final step happens automatically, making back-to-back transfers much more convenient. You can turn these options on or off at any time, so choose the combination that best fits the way you use LocalSend. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple LocalSend tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.